All right, today's August 12th, and we're going to go out and try to give it a whirl. I see some guys are going already, so we're going to, in the morning it's about 80-90% humidity, so around noon it finally breaks a little bit where you can get going. So we're going to go out and give it a try. Hopefully it works. I'm going to be going right across the field over there, but okay, let me get set up and keep me in touch as we go through the day. We started harvesting some wheat here. This morning it was like a 16.4 moisture. Then not even morning, it was about 11, 12 o'clock. It was just wet. All the fog. So we ended up, I started putzing around, and time I got done greasing everything and looking at it out, and it was reading about 14 moisture, 14.8. So yeah, these windows, you start at 1, 5, 6 o'clock, you gotta shut down because it gets too humid. But you know, the grain looks, it's been running pretty good. The yield is real good, but we'll have to see what the test weight and protein is going to look like. So anyway, yeah, let me flip you around and just look a little bit. So yeah, we're it's yielded pretty good. I mean, it looks good. I just hope the quality's there. Oh, let me get through this waterway here. Whoa. You all over the map. Trying to run the combine and shoot a camera video. So yeah, we're in this thing's about 350 acre field. So yeah, it's gonna be a day's work for me. When the guy's going by yourself, you're trucking and you don't get much done in a day. Especially you take the grain cart away. But all I know is all you can do is do what you can do. But anyway, I got a question for someone out there. Let me grab it here. This northern chill water. Whoops, I gotta drop a little bit and slow down. This northern chill water, I've been trying to get some for like a year now. And the thing I like about it, it's got magnesium. What else is in there? Magnesium, potassium, all stuff that's pretty actually good for you. And I've been trying to get it for a year, and all I keep hearing is they're out, don't answer any calls. And they're out of stock. They're out of stock till this December. Does anybody have any information on what actually is going on with these guys? Are they out of business? What I ordered a pellet of it, yeah, about a year ago, and I'm about out of my pellet. But yeah, if anybody's got information on this northern chill, I sure would like some information. I'll let you go. Bring you back after just any more excitement goes on. Okay, talk to you later. Hey, I brought you back right away. I was going to give a little update on that air conditioning. This is where I'm running my controls right now, and it's good airflow. I don't even have the fan on high, but it's chilly in here. So taking that heater core out and cleaning everything up and sealing any leaks, actually it did wonders. I'm not sure. Here's another shot. I run the rotor about 1,040, 1,060. Any of you guys out there, what do you guys run your rotors at? Just learning and not good information, I guess. But yeah, the biggest thing is this air conditioning. That helped a lot. Taking the heater core out. I actually left the heater core out. And if I need it, comes sunflowers or something, I'll put it back in. But the guy just don't get enough airflow across in coils to keep things cool. Then they freeze up on you, and the next thing you're griping because it's too hot. But a little bit of info, an update. Like I said, it's done wonders. So, okay, if anything else comes to mind, I'll shoot it out there. Leave some comments. Excuse me. Comments on anything you see or anything you do different. Willing to learn. Well, we got the grain cart finally hooked up, and it's going to be a lot nicer than having to drive a hopper over to the truck. But anyway, it's sure a pretty view. Toward the end of the day here. I think it's about 8:30 at night. But it's starting to get a little tough. But we're gonna try to get the grain cart. We got the other semi full. We'll try to get a grain cart full yet. But yeah, it's been a productive day, I guess. Had a little supper in the cab. What more could a guy ask for? I wonder how the video is gonna turn out. I'm not sure if it's blinding you or if it's not blinding you. We shall see. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.